criticizes cabinet reshuffle, slams move as political. NPYF urges KHADC to oppose uranium mining under 6th Schedule powers. Meghalaya police shield local farmers from alleged attack by Karbi villagers in Lapangap. District officials of both states to meet on September 30th. And RTI reveals Hima Maharam chieftain offered land to BSF without Dorbars not, says KSU. The news in detail. The recent reshuffling in the Conrad Sangwa-led cabinet with a total of 8 ministers being dropped, including the likes of Paul Lyngdoh, Ampareen Lyngdoh and A.T. Mandal, has shocked many, including the State Congress. Criticizing this move, Congress leader Manuel Badwar said that those who work better should have been rewarded and allowed to continue holding their ministerial rank and portfolios. Badwar questioned the intent behind the recent cabinet reshuffle, stating that politics seem to have played a role in the reshuffle.
What I see is that there's no merit in it. There's no merit in it in the sense that so even good performance is not being rewarded, but rather is being penalized. And people who are being rewarded are people who are able to put pressure. And people who are able to put pressure, to me, looks as if the pressure is not even coming from individuals, but is coming from certain organization which is outside of the state. The MDA government, especially the NPP, is actually working on the invisible hands of the BJP. Okay? So I'm a firm believer, and it's showing its ugly face every now and then. And so is this portfolio change that is happening right now. I have this firm belief that the BJP has a lot to do about this.
The National People's Youth Front Meghalaya unit has called upon the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council to exercise its powers under the 6th Schedule to oppose uranium mining in the state. The NPYF has submitted a memorandum to KHADC Chief Executive Member Shembor Langrinja, urging immediate intervention in response to a recent office memorandum issued by the Government of India concerning uranium exploration. NPYF Working President Bajop Pingrop stressed that the KHADC must act swiftly and decisively to safeguard the rights and interests of the indigenous people.
The nyawan banya krani CM but ngila ai da ka memorandum CE ban simkhya ba ka union government but ban use ya ka 6th schedule kum kata ka state ding ba ka para 12A B ka ba kum kini ki jajaan ki bawan for government of India kin long exempted through a presidential notification te ngila ay ka ni ka city siya I honorable CM jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council but nakaliang ka jong iru idaong ba sa simkhya ya ka ni ka kam ka ba day ka ba kongsan na kamanta ka state ka jong
Tension flared on Friday in Lapangap as around 50 Karbi villagers allegedly attacked Panar farmers with catapults, forcing about 30 residents, including women, to flee in panic. Meghalaya police personnel quickly intervened using shields to protect the villagers in the middle of paddy fields. Thanks to the swift response, no injuries were reported. Deputy Chief Minister Snehaw Bhalangdhar has expressed concern over the incident, informing that both the district administrations of West Janta Hills and Karbi Anglong have decided to hold a meeting on September 30th to resolve the issue and to form a peace committee.
The frame committee are preliminary powering now on both sides of the district admission and one day a peace committee. Teto galites kaman. Na sound two in the port of Poraba, Sabal to Briongi, and in the clam of the sea, and what the leader Mr. Monday Wallo. I had you for idiom in such a foot already discussed. The Malumla, the frame next week to Uchonga, peace committee both sides of the district administration.
The Khasi Students' Union Southwest Khasi Hills District has claimed that according to the RTI, it was revealed that the chieftain of Hima Maharam, Nyandros Imyong, has offered land to the BSF without prior approval from the Executive Dorbar, for the construction of the unit headquarters near the Mula River under Ranikor Civil Subdivision. The union stated that it will continue to oppose this move until the chieftain and the Darbar Hima provide a written statement declaring annulment of the proposal to part away with 70 acres of agricultural land to the BSF.
Thì nakalang jungi kalong bang ipanpaw jing panram no marhaduk mata nakalang sim parla kawan no mud barhima ban ong balaweng no ya kani isu spai te kumbalong hi nakalang kaseng ngi kwa ang pentikna hanni ba dalilei ngi no parla ban song thai ngi no parla ban sabjar kat hadu bus im rengkat bar kador barhima kin ai ya kita kirai ki basai ki ban ya tu sai ban pentik pajba kun ki ajar ban ong balaweng no yang kani kajing temu ban ai jakasong jakasa ala ban ai residential area yang kita kisipai ha ki jakarep joki kun ki hajar ke maram.
The Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy, Shillong, organized a mini marathon run for Ayurveda at the Raj Bhavan premises in Shillong today to celebrate the 10th Ayurveda Day. The run was flagged off by the Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar. A large number of participants, including sportspersons, students, officials and health enthusiasts, took part in the event to spread awareness about Ayurveda and its importance in promoting holistic health and wellness.
On the occasion of the 10th Ayurveda Day, the theme Ayurveda for the people and planet is most relevant today as we strive for the healthier society and a sustainable world. Ayurveda, our ancient system of medicine, not only promotes physical well-being but also emphasizes harmony between the body and mind, spirit and nature. On this occasion, I urge everyone to adopt the wisdom of Ayurveda in healthier day lives and contribute to a lifestyle that nurtures both personal health and the environment.
After several days of struggling without food due to extreme poverty, a family from Soma village received the much-needed relief through the intervention of the Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People Umling Circle. According to Village Secretary Turban Lingdo, the family of 4 has been facing severe hardship, prompting concern among residents. The gesture made by the FK JGP came as a blessing for the family.
Kay bangali lay khmat kan no jinlung ngam sim aba ngasiam bat tungku mat khmat lay jong do ani por bagi semsha bagi mat sa jinjar do kana kata tau nagliang yung posyan unit sungi jong FKHP Soma lay la unit la pasong pasam hini knyap sini nagliang jungi hawat nimla manai sibun hendai tangga jini snok tilang lemba jini trelang jong member ge jungi nak jini rap markliang jong member jungi salak ban poi kumne mar kinjat ku mar bam ban kong
cái sự phân phối tăng cái trình sông ngụ sibun nak mata cái trình siêu trong phi giờ cái trình y trong phi cái này cả tâm này cái lồng dính rồi cái này thì arngut sejur berkunjung obat kikun duki arngut Teki song ni ling ga rit teng ai sungu epi soisin nang bata kene ka jing wan jumpi ang ne posnong jungi ban wan pek tam le kene ka longjing jumpi ki sijur.
Deputy Chief Minister Sneha Bhalang Dahar today attended the Skill Enhancement for Horticulture Development and Sustainability Program, an event aimed at building capacity among farmers in the Northeast Horticulture region, organized by the Nehu Deen Dayal Upadhyay Community College and Skill Development Center in Wayajer East Jayanta Hills District. The program was conducted in collaboration with the Department of Horticulture at Nehu Tura campus and sponsored by ICAR IIHR Bengaluru.
Nito ang first time nga kayo tao, kung ito knowledge o rason mayari, marapay ng grade school o professor nito at professor nito, sa nito pa rin ang ulo naman. Ganito kasi ang success is because of your initiative. Thank you to all of you. Especially yung mga hindi namin, yung mga nokso, kung nangyari ko niya ito ang sami, ito sa college ng University sa Inglaterra. Kenaikan yang Yulia orang menolak kuat kuat South Korea, orang Seoul, orang di kampung orang Korea ini.
Leaders of the Hindu Trap Youth Council Reboy Sapngi unit has called on the Office of the Deputy Commissioner to highlight the hardships faced by rural communities due to inadequate infrastructure, including poor internet connectivity and erratic power supply. The council submitted a memorandum to the district officials detailing the urgent need to improve both internet and electricity distribution in the region.
Kata ka jingi ka bay kendu ulong habari bat ka jimbombiang tikna jongalait nang ta ka jimbombiang tikna habari bat ka network system bat nanglang ji kum gasang iskwa an pau pi ulong ba ngimju presya e kata ki development lane ki project ki ba ka central government ka ai sya ki pai ba jong ka dong ka than jingi bat kumju ka state hibro ko henry ka e ka bangi kwa nong haba pi ai gene ki ya kini ki project development sya ka dong bat ka state hibro ko ka long ba phihap pan prakhat lem sya ki pai ba lane ki bc ki ba sa sing than nong kendong namar ba ka jimbombiang jong ka light ka batikna ka jimbombiang jong ka network system kata ka bangi labu ya ka issue ka jingi hau ne u project der jong DRDA nanglang ju long ba unsa sim kiai ka kam unsa tho sya ki high authority.
Tura Christian College celebrated its 8th Foundation Day today at the Christian Girls High Secondary School Chapel Hall. The event was attended by Leader of Opposition Dr. Mukul M. Sangma. During the celebration, the Best Teacher Award for 2024-25 was presented to Mr. Baldwara M. Sangma and Mrs. Sungjem Menla. In his address, Dr. Sangma emphasized the importance of individual productivity and the role of education in shaping young minds.
In the field of education, which provides the kind of platform for preparing and shaping the life of each individual. We, as individuals, is productive enough, capable of contributing in as much as possible in sync with the unlimited strength that we have been blessed with. The human brain and the capacity of human brain to imbibe knowledge is limitless.
Nongstein MLA Gabriel Walang yesterday honored outstanding students in the fields of education, arts and sports during the 3rd MLA Excellence Award 2025 ceremony held at Anderson School Hall in West Khasi Hills. Organized by Banarik Foundation, the event witnessed a large gathering of dignitaries, government officials, principals from various schools and colleges, students and parents. In his address, MLA Gabriel Walang encourages the students to work hard and overcome challenges in their journey towards success. With the aim to promote bamboo cultivation in farmlands and spreading awareness on its importance to the economy, culture and environment of Meghalaya, the Meghalaya State Bamboo Mission under the Meghalaya Basin Management Agency celebrated World Bamboo Day yesterday at the multi-purpose hall of the DC office in Mairang. The celebration also served as a platform to encourage school students to showcase their talents and to encourage the community in efforts to preserve and promote bamboo through various activities. Now for the weather report. First, let us take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 25 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 30 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 84%, rainfall 6.0 millimeters. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 19 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 24 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 91%, rainfall 8.6 millimeters. Meanwhile, in Jawai, minimum temperature 20 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 25 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 86%, rainfall 1.3 millimeters. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and Jawai says rain and thunder shower is likely to occur at most places. And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Congress criticizes cabinet reshuffle, slams move as political. NPYF urges KHADC to oppose uranium mining under 6th Schedule powers. Meghalaya police shield local farmers from alleged attack by Karbi villagers in Lapangap. District officials of both states to meet on September 30th. And RTI reveals Hima Baharam chieftain offered land to BSF without door bars, not says KSU. That's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thank you for watching and good night.